You're making close to 300,000 within what is it, like your first year working in QA testing?
Yeah, within shoes. I was in the market for a week and landed my first QA role.
That's insane. That's insane. That's insane.
And that was definitely during the time where COVID was like handing out jobs.
Yeah.
So it was like the phone didn't stop ringing. So it was almost like, you know, when the phone rang, I had done an interview, and actually what happened was I had my first one, and how I landed my second one was that the company stopped hiring because they had a managerial issue. Came back and ended up telling me they liked me. I never heard from them.
Yeah.
And then it was like, we wanted you, but we had to change some things. Well, I had already had my first QA job.
Yep.
You know, but I'm not going to turn down another 80. You know, I'm
Right,
just
right.
like, it's remote? Okay,
Yeah.
you know. So, and that's kind of how it happened. It just, it wasn't actually intentional.
Yeah. And that's what happens to a lot of people. Like you'll be searching for jobs and then you get multiple offers at the same time or around the same time. So that definitely does happen to people. So like what